Are you tired of juggling limited stove space when preparing elaborate meals? Say hello to hassle-free cooking with the Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner. This portable hot plate is here to revolutionize your cooking experience, offering reliability, convenience, and consistent results. Let's dive into why this cooking companion deserves a spot in your kitchen. If you're interested in learning more about the Elite Gourmet Countertop Single Cast Iron Burner, please click on the link in the description below. Effortless cooking at your fingertips. With the Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner, cooking becomes a breeze. Boasting 1000 watts of power, this hot plate heats up rapidly, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Its adjustable temperature knob allows you to achieve the perfect level of heat, ensuring that your culinary creations turn out just right. Even heating, every time, bid farewell to uneven cooking. The non-stick cast iron hot plate guarantees even heating, resulting in consistent and delicious dishes. Cleaning up after your cooking adventures is a cinch, thanks to the non-stick surface that wipes clean with ease using a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Safety meets convenience, cook with peace of mind. The Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner comes equipped with a power indicator light on the front, ensuring you're always aware when it's in use. Its non-skid rubber feet keep the burner securely in place during cooking, while the cool touch base prevents accidental burns. Your on-the-go cooking solution, compact, portable, and versatile. This hot plate is a culinary game-changer. Its compact size makes it the perfect companion for various occasions, from camping trips and office lunches to impromptu gatherings at home. When you need an extra cooking source, the Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner has got you covered. Amplify your cooking potential with a remarkable 1000 watts of power. This hot plate provides efficient heat for all your culinary endeavors. Whether you're keeping food warm or boiling water, the individual temperature controls ensure precise cooking results every time. The Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's your partner in culinary excellence. Upgrade your cooking game and embrace the convenience, consistency, and versatility this hot plate offers. Whether you're a passionate chef or someone who enjoys whipping up quick meals, this portable burner empowers you to cook with confidence, no matter the setting. Don't limit your culinary creativity due to space constraints. Elevate your cooking, experiment with new recipes, and experience the joy of hassle-free, efficient cooking with the Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.